Okay, come to the top of your mat, feet hip width apart. Stand tall in your mountain pose. Bring your hands to heart center and just take a second here. Let your feet connect with the ground beneath you and notice the support that's already available to you. Take an inhale here, bring your toes to touch, heels slightly apart. As you exhale, flex your feet, send your knees forward, tracking over your toes. Sink your hips back, lift your arms up overhead, coming into your chair pose. Bring awareness to your heels. Notice that by lifting the toes, you're going to encourage more weight into those heels. Tuck your tailbone in, squeeze your thighs together, and draw your belly in. Your gaze is slightly up and ahead of you. Stand strong here in your foundation. Only a few more seconds. 3, 2, take one more inhale in. Exhale to fold. Inhale, come up one vertebrae at a time to standing. Roll your shoulders back, lengthen your fingers down towards the ground. Bring your feet hip width apart. Take an inhale here, draw your left knee in towards your chest. Push that knee into your hands into your knee. Stand strong here. Take an inhale in, exhale, bring the sole of your left foot into your inner right thigh. Perhaps it comes down to your calf or to your ankle, using it as a kickstand. Wherever you are in your tree pose, your standing leg is your strong leg, your right leg, that's your root. Your hands can come to heart center, or perhaps option here, lift them up overhead. Just know that balance isn't about being still, it's about returning to center, even if we wobble. Take one more inhale here, draw that left knee back in towards you. Exhale, step that left foot back on an angle, coming into your warrior one. Heel toe that right leg slightly wider so that you have better balance here. Sink into the blade of the back foot, bring it into the mat. That left leg is strong and straight. Your ribs and your chest are facing forward. That right knee is slightly over your ankle. Relax your shoulders away from your ears. Gaze is in front. Root both feet into the ground. From this foundation, we're gonna find courage in this practice today, in whatever season and journey you are on in your life and in life itself. Take one more inhale in. Exhale, plant your hands down to the ground, pivot on that back foot, lifting the back heel, coming into a low lunge. Take an inhale here, bring that left foot to the top of the mat, heel toe your feet slightly wider than hip width apart. Your toes are angled out and sink into your Malasana. If you're up here, that's okay. Perhaps you have a block accessible to you. Go ahead and place that underneath your seat. There are options available. Wherever you are, just relax into your sacrum. Take another inhale, curl that tailbone forward, sinking into your Malasana a bit more. Press your elbows into your inner thighs or your knees. Just take a second here, allow yourself to feel grounded, supported, and steady. Take one more inhale in. Exhale, plant your hands underneath your shoulders, lift your seat, heel toe your feet so that they're hip width apart. Exhale, fold deeper. Inhale, half rise, elongating our spine. Your hands can come to shins or fingertips out in front of you. Exhale to fold. Inhale, coming up to standing, and as you do, lift your arms up overhead. Sink your seat back, coming into chair pose, except this time lift your heels, coming onto your tippy toes. Even in positions that are vulnerable and unsteady, even if our base is a bit smaller just by being on our toes, know that you still have trust and strength in yourself. Stability doesn't always come with perfect conditions. Take an inhale here. Exhale to fold. Inhale, coming back up to standing into your Malasana. Take an inhale here. Bring that right knee in towards your chest this time. Exhale, externally rotate that right knee out, bringing your sole of the right foot into your inner left thigh, your calf, or again, option all the way down to your ankle. Wherever you are, find length in your waist and steadiness in your pelvis. Take an inhale here, bring that right knee back in towards you. Exhale, this time step that right foot back. The right feet are pointing, or the right toes are pointing to the top right-hand corner of the mat. Lift your arms up, coming into warrior one on this side. There's a tendency to collapse the knees, so just be aware of that. Draw that front thigh back a bit. Relax your shoulders. Tuck your tailbone in slightly. Don't overarch your back here. Take an inhale in, plant your hands down. Step that left foot back to meet your right, coming into a high plank. So your shoulders are over your wrists. You're pushing your heels back into an imaginary wall. You're tucking your navel in towards your spine. Your glutes are strong, so are your quads, and your gaze is slightly down and ahead of you. On an inhale, rock yourself forward, Chaturanga halfway, or come all the way down, untucking your toes. Either take Cobra or Upward Facing Dog. Exhale, come on back down. Inhale, tuck your toes, come up to high plank. Exhale, send your hips up and back into Downward Facing Dog. Take a second here. Pedal out your feet, work your calves, perhaps sway side to side with your hips. Your hands are slightly wider than your shoulders. Push the ground away from you. Bend your knees if you have to. It's okay if your heels can't come to the ground. Just think of that long spine and think of length here. On an inhale, bring that right leg up into three-legged dog. Bend that right knee, draw it in towards your chest, step it through to the top of the mat. Plant your left foot down, circle your arms up, coming into warrior two. Now my ribs and my chest are parallel to the long side of the mat. My front heel intersects with the arch of my back foot. My shoulders are relaxed. I'm thinking as if my arms are being pulled in both directions, and my gaze is down the front of my fingers. Fear may still be present, but so is strength. Take an inhale here, straighten that front leg, heel toe that back foot in a bit more. Take an inhale here, exhale, send that back hip back. Start to draw yourself forward until you can't reach anymore. And then begin to tip at your hip crease, planting your right hand down onto your shin lightly, bringing that top arm overhead so that your shoulders are vertical and stacked on top of each other. Use your core to open up your thoracic spine. Find length and steadiness in your triangle pose. Take an inhale. Plant your feet down, lift yourself back up. Exhale, sink deeper into your warrior two. Inhale here, exhale, circle your arms back, coming into that high plank. Take your Vinyasa, meeting me back in Downward Facing Dog. Good, now in your downward dog here, take an inhale. This time lift your left leg up and back, bend that left knee, draw it in towards your chest and step it through between your hands to the top of your mat. Plant that right foot down, sweep your arms over into a T shape, coming into warrior two on this side. Trust yourself, you're more prepared than you think. that back leg is strong and straight. Good. On an inhale, straighten that front leg. Again, bring that back foot in a bit more. Inhale, reach, 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 reach forward. Then tip, lifting that right arm up overhead, coming into your triangle on the other side. If your neck allows, gaze is looking up. Take an inhale here. Push your feet into the ground. Use your core, lift yourself back up. Exhale and sink into that warrior two. Good. Inhale here. Exhale, circle your arms back, coming into your high plank again. Again, draw that navel in. Think of a long line from the crown of your head all the way to your heels. Stay strong here in your plank. 3, 2, 1. Drop your knees, bring your hands back, sit on your heels. Your toes can be curled, or if that's not comfortable, untuck them. Coming into your hero pose, bringing your hands to heart center, and just allowing yourself to find your breath and find steadiness here. Your eyes can be closed, gaze dimmed. Just take a second for yourself. Take an inhale here. Lean to the left, coming to your seat, extending your legs out in front, straight ahead. Your feet are flexed. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, find length, and then hinge at the hips. And let your hands fall naturally wherever they do. That could be your shins, your ankles, or your feet. You can have a bend in your knees, bringing your chest closer towards your thighs. Wherever you are, just begin to turn your attention inward. Let go of expectation, let go of striving. Just allow yourself to feel supported with the ground beneath you. Take an inhale, find more length. Exhale, fold deeper. Take one more inhale here. Exhale, come on up slowly. Wiggle out your legs. Do whatever movement feels good for you. And when you're ready, plant the soles of your feet down, scooch your seat forward a bit, bring your arms parallel to the ground, and begin to curl your tailbone, making a slow descent until your shoulders and your head touch the ground. Bring your hands next to you, palms face down. Bring those heels in a bit more. We're gonna take bridge pose here. Take an inhale. Exhale, send your hips up towards the sky. Knowing that we're not abandoning our foundation here in Root Chakra. We're rising because of it. Tuck your chin in slightly. Lift those hips up, squeeze your glutes. Inhale here, exhale, come on down, hovering halfway. Inhale, send your hips back up. Really pushing into the ground with the soles of your feet. Your shoulders are relaxed. Option, you can take your shoulders underneath, interlacing your fingers. We're here for a few more rounds of breath. Take one more inhale in. Exhale, release, bringing your lower back down to the ground. Inhale here. Now bring your knees towards your armpits. Grab onto the outer edges of your feet or your ankles, coming into happy baby. Now you can sway side to side if that feels good for you. Wherever you are, just find steadiness in your breath. Steady breath, steady mind. Feel grounded here. Take one more inhale in. Exhale, extend your legs to the corners of your mat, coming into your final resting pose, your Savasana. You can close your eyes or dim your gaze. And as we lay here in Savasana, perhaps sometimes what we feel is fear and insecurity, fear in ourselves, fear of not being confident enough. Whatever that fear and insecurity is, know that in today's practice you have found strength and stability. I want you to ingrain these words in your head as you leave here today. I am steady. I am grounded. I am strong. And I am confident. I am safe. Start to bring awareness to your toes, your fingers. Start to wiggle them. Circle your ankles, your wrists. Perhaps bring the soles of your feet down. Stay here. Or roll onto your right side using your arm as a pillow, coming into a fetal position. When ready, lift yourself up into a seated position that's comfortable for you. Bring your hands to heart center. Bow your head down in a gesture of gratitude, acknowledging the breath that has guided you and carried you throughout this practice today. May you meet yourself with kindness, move with intention, and live from the heart. Namaste. Thank you for practicing with me today.